Uba Ardent Miller basayomain udukhat jongka ying dorbar thau aing kajela jongka parti VPP na nongkrem constituency ulabu ika jingkeli haka ying dorbar mang tengka haka arpo pra tarik ulaber daga ba ong ba manu badon kti ban ai hukum ban siat yap yu General Secretary barim ka HNLC uba Cheris Tarfield thank you haying sa jong u uba Ardent ulo ongru ban keno ikipulet kamlong kabadei Henry day bakila yo hukum ban siat yam lada lab yu te urang ba Henry balai shem lakem imbet ye u habau dan hapdeng ka jingthia pang halaying ulaban rap ru baki bahaying uti urang ba basya siat yap kidang ap ya ka kaipot baga jing bishar ka bahong hadu kini kisngi ba lada ka Sorkar ka site khoin ba kamtip Halor kat kani ka Jingshah ka snam kanlong hapo ka kti jong ka MDA 1.
So, to blame the police personnel for all the failure is not right, sir. We remember that our state police department, the performance, how this department neutralized the militancy in the state when the dreaded HNLC and ANBC were at its peak. So how can we believe that the same police force who can neutralize these dreaded militants in the state and are responsible for bringing back normalcy to the state of Meghalaya will not be able to arrest the former General Secretary of the HNLC alive, especially when he was at his sick bed, sir. Sir, according to the observation of the retired Justice T. Wi-Fi, and in his report submitted and even placed before the House, he observed, sir, that his finding is that the tactical team 1 in carrying out the operation to arrest the deceased at his residence on August 13, 2021 at about 3 a.m. was culpable of thoughtless and excessive use of force, which resulted in the death of the deceased, late Cherister Field. Thank you. Sir, further, he said that in his considered view, the post facto excuse that none but the deceased was hurt cannot be a valid justification for carrying out the operation hastily and in a reckless manner by the tactical team 1. So I am sure that if the police department is given a free hand to deal with this specific case, the former General Secretary of the HLC would have been caught alive, because I have the trust in the police personnel of the state. However, sir, due to the excessive interference on the part of the Polkal master, police personnel are not given a chance to deal with the case independently. Sir, the people of Maulai, the family members of late Chesterfield, till today, they are still awaiting for justice. You have tabled the report on the floor of the House. What action has been taken as a following up to the report? Sir, I don't have any doubt that the police of Meghalaya can deal with this issue easily. They have received medals after medals for their excellent performance. And who will believe that the police will not be able to arrest late Chesterfield, thank you, alive? Who gave the order to eliminate late Chesterfield, thank you. I am sure that no police personnel will have the courage to kill a person if there is no order given to that police person. So may I request the government in this particular case not to find a scapegoat, a small chap to fix the responsibility. I can say that this is the complete failure on the part of those who are at the helm of affairs. Those who are at the helm of affairs must take the responsibility. If the government cannot come out clean on this issue, remember that the blood is in the hands of MDA-1. You have to come out clean. And in the process of coming out clean, I don't want that you will find a scapegoat by trying to fix the responsibility on this, fix the responsibility to the people who are supposed to simply obey the orders of the government.